Ever wondered how to ensure the welfare and proper care of sheep on your farm? Today, we're going to delve into that very topic, highlighting the importance of proper sheep care and how it can contribute to a thriving farm. Sheep are more than just woolly creatures. They're a vital part of our agricultural ecosystem, contributing to the health of our lands and providing us with valuable resources. Caring for them requires a deep understanding of their needs and behaviors, a commitment to their health and well-being, and the right environment for them to thrive. In this video, we'll be covering key areas such as understanding sheep behavior, proper feeding, health and disease management, and the essentials of proper housing and fencing. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in ensuring the welfare of your flock. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Farming Know-How, for more insightful farming tips. First things first, understanding sheep behavior is crucial to their welfare and care. Sheep, by nature, are social animals. They thrive on companionship and tend to get stressed when left alone. This is because, in the wild, being part of a flock provides protection from predators. So, when you're managing sheep, it's essential to ensure they always have company. Now, let's talk about their grazing habits. Sheep are ruminants, which means they have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients even from low-quality vegetation. They love to graze on grass, but they also enjoy a variety of other plants, including shrubs and weeds. This ability to consume a broad range of vegetation makes sheep excellent for controlling unwanted vegetation in pasture lands. One thing to remember is that sheep prefer to graze during cooler parts of the day, that is, early morning and late afternoon. So if you're planning grazing schedules, this is something to bear in mind. Also, because they are selective grazers, they can overgraze some areas while leaving others untouched. Rotational grazing, where different pasture areas are used at different times, can help manage this. Next up is the fear response. Sheep are prey animals, which means their primary defense mechanism is to flee from danger. They are quick to react to threats and can easily become stressed or panicked. This is why it's important to handle sheep calmly and gently, avoiding sudden movements or loud noises. So, how does understanding these behaviors help in managing sheep? Well, by knowing that sheep are social, you can ensure they always have companionship. Understanding their grazing habits can help you plan their feeding and grazing schedules effectively. And by being aware of their fear response, you can handle them in a way that minimizes stress. So, understanding sheep behavior is the first step to ensuring their welfare. Now, let's talk about what to feed your sheep. One of the key factors in ensuring the welfare of your sheep is providing them with a balanced diet. Just like us, sheep require a variety of nutrients to stay healthy and productive. So, what does a balanced diet for sheep look like? Firstly, the main component of their diet is grass. Fresh, green grass is filled with essential nutrients that sheep need. They love to graze, and this natural behavior also aids in their digestion and overall health. However, during the colder months when fresh grass is scarce, hay becomes a crucial part of their diet. Hay is dried grass, and while it may lack some nutrients compared to fresh grass, it's a good source of roughage, helping to keep their digestive systems running smoothly. Next up, we have grains. Now, grains are a great source of energy for sheep, but they should be fed sparingly. Too much grain can upset the balance of bacteria in their gut and cause health problems. So, moderation is key when it comes to grains. Water, of course, is vital. Sheep need a constant supply of fresh, clean water. It aids digestion, helps regulate body temperature, and is crucial for milk production and use. Lastly, we can't forget about mineral and vitamin supplements. Sheep, especially those pregnant or lactating, require certain minerals like selenium and copper, and vitamins like vitamin A, D, and E. These can be provided through specially formulated sheep mineral mixes or through fortified feeds. Now, every sheep is unique, and their dietary needs can change based on factors like age, health status, and whether they're pregnant or lactating. Therefore, it's always a good idea to consult with a local veterinarian or a livestock nutritionist to tailor a diet plan that best suits your flock. Remember, a well-fed sheep is a happy and healthy sheep. Moving on, let's discuss sheep health and disease management. The well-being of your flock is paramount, and this involves keeping a keen eye on their health and managing diseases effectively. Sheep are susceptible to a variety of diseases, with some of the common ones being foot rot, scabby mouth, and internal parasites. Foot rot, a bacterial infection causing lameness and discomfort, can be prevented through regular hoof trimming and maintaining dry ground conditions. Scabby mouth is a viral infection that causes sores around the mouth and face, affecting the sheep's ability to feed. It can be controlled through vaccination and good hygiene practices. Internal parasites, on the other hand, pose a significant threat to sheep, particularly those kept on pasture. Regular deworming is crucial to keep these parasites at bay and ensure the health of your flock. But remember, prevention is always better than cure. Regular veterinary checkups are of utmost importance. They can help you detect health issues in their early stages and take necessary actions promptly. Vaccinations also play a crucial role in disease prevention. They provide your sheep with immunity against several common diseases, keeping them healthy and productive. Now let's not underestimate the importance of cleanliness in disease management. Maintaining clean and dry living conditions is vital in preventing the spread of diseases. This includes regular cleaning of feeding and watering equipment and ensuring that the bedding is dry and clean. Remember, a healthy flock is a happy flock. As a farmer or homesteader, you have a responsibility to ensure the well-being of your sheep. This involves understanding their health needs, keeping their living conditions clean and dry, and managing diseases proactively. And finally, don't forget that your sheep are relying on you. They may not be able to tell you when they're feeling under the weather, but with careful observation and proactive health management, you can ensure their welfare. Proactive health and disease management is key to ensuring the welfare of your sheep. Next up, let's talk about housing and fencing for your sheep. Now, providing proper housing for your sheep is not just about giving them a place to eat and sleep. It's about creating a safe, comfortable, and healthy environment that caters to their unique needs. Much like us humans, sheep too need a dry, well-ventilated, and spacious home. This is crucial to their overall well-being. Why dry, you ask? Well, damp conditions can lead to a multitude of health problems for your sheep, including respiratory issues and the spread of parasites. That's why it's essential to ensure their living quarters are kept dry and clean at all times. And what about ventilation? Good airflow is key to maintaining a healthy environment for your sheep. It helps to keep the air fresh, reduce the buildup of harmful gases, and control the temperature, especially during those hot summer months. Space is another important factor to consider. Each sheep needs enough room to move around freely, rest, and socialize with its flock. Overcrowding can lead to stress, aggression, and the spread of diseases. Hence, a spacious housing environment is a must. But housing is just one part of the equation. The other important aspect is fencing. Secure fencing is essential to protect your sheep from potential predators. It also helps to keep your sheep contained within a designated area, making it easier for you to manage them. Fencing should be sturdy, well-maintained, and high enough to prevent your sheep from jumping over. Remember, the type of fencing you choose will depend on various factors such as the breed of your sheep, the landscape of your farm, and your budget. So, take the time to research and choose the right fencing solution for your specific needs. In a nutshell, proper housing and fencing are critical components of sheep care. They not only ensure the safety of your sheep, but also contribute to their overall comfort and well-being. Proper housing and fencing not only ensure the safety of your sheep, but also their comfort. To wrap up, let's quickly go over what we've covered today. We've taken a deep dive into the fascinating world of sheep behavior, understanding their needs and quirks. This knowledge is vital in ensuring their well-being and happiness on your farm. We've also discussed the importance of proper feeding, making sure our woolly friends are getting all the nutrients they need to flourish. Alongside this, we've explored health and disease management, learning how to spot early signs of illness and how to prevent them. We've looked into proper housing and fencing, ensuring our sheep are safe, comfortable, and secure. By providing them with a suitable environment, we can prevent many health issues and promote their overall welfare. By adhering to these principles, you can ensure the welfare and proper care of your sheep. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Farming Know-How for more farming tips. Happy farming!